everyone. I am Brian Ready from Office Application 2. Today I will tell you about my daily activity. I wake up at 20 past 5 a.m. After that, drink water, then clean the bed and massage my face. I clean the house. And at 7:44 I.m. breakfast with the family. 9 o'clock I.m. shower and get ready to class this afternoon and come home at 11:30 I.m. At 11:42 I.m. I was home and massaged my face, then took a shower, formatted prayers, and then took a nap. At 10 past p.m. I wake up and take the clothes and fold it. At 3:45 p.m. I clean the house, and after that I take a shower to do asar prayers. At 18 o'clock p.m. Maghrib praying and chanting for a while and then playing on my keyboard while waiting for Isha. 45 p.m. Isha prayers and then waiting TV with the family. At 4:14 past 9 p.m. I went back to my room and played on my keyboard while waiting to get sleepy. And then past 30 p.m. I sleep and with straight sleep. That's all my daily activity. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon, everyone.